Are you okay?
Yeah.
You sure? What's up guys, my name is Zoë and Peterson, welcome back to my channel. Today we are actually in Calgary, we are no longer in Vancouver. You'll find out more about why I'm in Calgary for a bit on Tuesday's video. So I'm not going to say anything about it today. I'm from Calgary, I don't know if I've ever mentioned that. I don't think I have. So I'm from Calgary, it's cold right now, it's really cold right now. Like look at around. It's minus 30 right now. My hair is frozen. Today we are actually going out to Two Jack Lakes, which is in Banff, and we're going ice skating. I've dated Zoe for 3 years and I've never gone ice skating with her. So before we head out today guys, we're gonna quickly eat, grab some pucks, grab some hockey sticks, skates, and then we are off to Banff. We're gonna go get Zoe. So let's get all that done. Always begging for food. There you go. I've taught her a couple tricks back in the day, right Chloe? Come here, come get a treat. See, she knows. Oh yeah, you can hear her come. Sit. All right. Shake a paw. Oh, yeah, put the treat up here. Shake a paw. Shake a paw. Look, she shook the paw. All right, and now lay down. Look at that. Oh man, that's wobbly. Holy crap. Well, I found my hockey skates, and turns out they weren't even in the damn garage or in that bag. Grab 2 pucks just in case. All right, we're officially off. I've got everything. Here we go. I love going up to Banff. It's easily one of my favorite spots in the world. I'm so lucky to have it right in my backyard. I live about 45 minutes away. Look who I found! It's Zoe! Zoe, say hi!
Hi.
How you feeling about the coldness in Calgary right now?
It's really cold.
How do you feel about this ice skating?
I'm scared.
Why?
Because I'm gonna fall.
Do you think you suck at ice skating?
I actually think I'm pretty good. I'm okay.
Have you ever ice skated before?
Of course.
Guys, look, there's no snow outside.
Yeah, I'm worried we're gonna fall through the ice.
It's been warm for the last couple days. What if the lake's not fully frozen?
Yeah, so we may die today.
We made it officially to Banff. Why is there snow all of a sudden, hey? As soon as we hit Banff, there's snow. All right, let's go to the lake now. We should be there in about 10 minutes, so why don't we just flash there? Okay, here we go. We just got to the lake, and it's looking a little watery. Wow,
Less water.
that looks like running water.
Okay, I didn't even see that. I just saw a little puddle in the middle.
I didn't come all this way not to skate, so if that means falling in while I'm skating, that's consequences you gotta take, I guess. Oh yeah, people are skating right there. All right, let's go get our skates. Sorry for the wind. Let's go skate. 3 years of not playing hockey anymore, and I can still skate, and so can Zoe. Zoe can skate too. She's overconfident. She's gonna fall. Just wait for her. As long as she doesn't hit her head. I think it's much more Canadian than this, right? Skating out on the lake. Put that in the background.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That was so scary.
So we're gonna try playing a little hockey now. Hey Zoe? Grab a hockey stick, see what she can do. on the. Oh, there you go. And you dangle your girlfriend. Come in. How do you feel like you did with the hockey shot?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Zoe's just learning, so she's a newbie at the hockey. But you know, we're gonna be a hockey family, so she's gonna have to learn. It's almost cooler when you can make your own pass, see? Look at that. Where is Zoe? There's Zoe! If you guys are ever in Banff, it's Two Jack Lakes. Absolutely amazing. Definitely worth your time. This right here, this is free, right? So finding things that you can do for free, that's what I love about going out to the mountains and doing this kind of stuff. I wish everyone could come see this because it's definitely worth the trip, definitely worth seeing. I love this mountain right here. Look at that mountain. overconfident she's gonna fall. I'll just wait for her. As long as she doesn't hit her head. Are you okay?
Yeah.
You sure? Clumsy Zoe. She fell, guys. She hit her head. And she might have a concussion. Her head hurts. So we're gonna take her probably to a doctor now. We might stop for some food on the way. Because we're both hungry. 2 minutes, literally 2 minutes before we left. Zoe, what do you think? Do you want to go to a doctor?
No, there's no doctor.
See, she doesn't want to go to a doctor.
I just want to go get A&W.
So Zoe decided she was so hungry that she wanted A&W before we went to the doctor.
I'm not going to the doctor.
Zoe, you're going to the doctor. And I know it's the right thing to do. And she should go, but she wants to be all stubborn. Look at her, she thinks she's all cool. So Zoe's stubborn, so she's not going to the doctor, guys. Say goodbye, Zoe, to all the peoples. So after Zoe left, I went and talked to her mom, and she did take her to the doctor. Zoe does have a minor concussion, but she's gonna be okay. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm really, really, really sorry about the win. Unfortunately, there's not much I could do about it. I am in Calgary for the weekend. You'll have to tune in Tuesday to see what's going on. In the meantime, like, subscribe, do what you gotta do, and I'll see you guys then.